right here. Blinding rain. Blinding. Oh boy. I can't tell how big it is though. Jeez. It's just a whole, it's not that big, it's just a whole lot of it. A whole lot of it. That's pretty insane, y'all.
Oh yeah. Whoa.
Stuff's getting tore up. Wow!
Oh my.
Blinding!
Here, everybody.
Tree leaves coming down.
Wow.
Knocking tree limbs down. Which hail can do. What? Hail fog! Trying to get freaking hail fog in this mode! Which means it's accumulating up here, I bet you. Turn the light up. Oh!
Whoa.
That was an incher.
That's a couple inches.
No, that wasn't a 2-incher. I know 2-incher when I hear it. That's not a 2-incher. It's getting... Yeah, those are severe. Tree limbs still coming down.
I think it may be trying to circulate.
Good night!
I think it may be trying to circulate again behind us.
Oh wow! You hear that one? Now that one sounded big. Watch the side of the road too. We're at Hendricks. Hail fog again. Big. The road! Look at the road! Look at the road! Look at the road!
Wow.
Those are bigger. 1 inch.
Holy cow.
We got 1 inch. It's at least it's severe limits. Maybe. Good old fashioned hailstorm. Accumulating on the road.
Loudest hell I've ever heard.
You believe I've heard louder? Whoa, it's some big ones.